From America's #1 seller of spackling, DAP Fast Dry High Strength Spackling. First, collect all the materials needed for your large project or repair. If necessary, degloss the surface for better adhesion. Be sure that the surface is clean, dry, and free of debris. To repair damages over 4 inches in diameter, place the patch in center of damage and firmly press. Now that the surface is prepped, stir the spackling to ensure that it has a smooth, creamy consistency. For the best results, slightly over-apply. Then dip your putty knife in water and return to smooth the spackling. Once smooth, allow spackling to dry. DAP Fast Dry High Strength Spackling provides all-around enhanced performance with 15-minute paint-ready time and approximately 60-minute sanding time for repairs 1 inch or 1/8 inch depth or smaller. Once ready, sand the repair until you get a nice smooth finish. With no priming required, you can paint directly over the repair for an amazing finish. With your project complete, immediately clean your tools with water and ensure you close fast dry with a tight seal before storing for your next project or repair.